One more time, motherfuckers. This shit's hard, you know what? It's like 4 minutes long. To build stamina.